Hey guys, welcome to Login Hubs. Today I'll be showing you how to unhide your Snapchat score, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide your Snapchat score, first open up your Snapchat app guys. And after opening your Snapchat app guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon or your profile picture icon. Tap on that. And after that you'll be over here on the profile section of your Snapchat account, whereas at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the settings icon available for us. Tap on that settings. And over here scroll down until you can find the option which says contact me under the privacy controls category. And over here, in order to hide your Snapchat, and over here in order to unhide your Snapchat score, tap on contact me. And over here you need to know what that is. Person who will be able to, or who are able to contact your Snapchat, will be able to view your Snapchat score. And with that being said, who can contact you will be able to Snapchat scores. Who can contact you will be able to see your Snapchat score. So if you tap on the friends and contacts option over here, anybody will be able to contact you and anybody will be able to see your Snapchat score. And same with the friends. In the case of the friends, only your friends will be able to see your Snapchat score, but in this case the Snapchat score will be hidden to others. So in order to unhide it from everyone, just tap on the friends and contacts and your Snapchat score will be unhidden. And with that being said guys, this is how you unhide your Snapchat score. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.